This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chanyang Yun. This is a deal you should not miss. Ideal 3-bedroom/2 bath unit with unique bright open floor plan in Villas of West End is now available. It has lots of windows for natural lighting, high ceilings, hardwood flooring throughout, large kitchen with a lot of cabinets and a big pantry. Master bedroom with open field view has walk-in closet and a bathroom with dual sinks, garden tub, and separate shower room. 1-car garage and indoor laundry room with extra cabinet storage are another bonus. Relax and enjoy the green view from the screened back porch. Close to I-75, healthcare, town of Tioga with shops and restaurants. Low maintenance lifestyle in this community offers pool, tennis courts, clubhouse and all exterior maintenance. For more information, review the details below.